Welcome to ASMLawAcademy.com. Part 2 deals with contents of a contract and regulation of terms, which represents the terms of the contract. So basically, what is the terms of the contracts are? Term of the contract. The contents of a contract are known as terms or clauses. Contract terms may be express or implied, and they may be classed as either conditions, warranties, or innominate terms. We'll discuss in detail later on. So now come to the point, use of implied terms. Implied terms are words or provisions that a court assumes were intended to be included in a contract. So implied terms are words or provisions, isn't it? So then this means that the terms aren't expressly stated in the contract. They are implied terms. The classification of terms. In general, terms will be classified into minor and major undertakings or obligations. We will discuss all of these things in detail later on. The content of a term and regulation of terms also represents the regulation of the terms of the contract. Introduction. In part of this, you will find there are unfair terms and exclusion clauses. So the most common type of unfair terms are exclusion clauses, whereby one party seeks to exclude their liability. So the main point over here is exclude their liability. One party seeks to exclude their liability arising under the contract. Now come to the second point over here. Common law controls. As unfair contract terms can operate oppressively, the law restricts the use of such terms. That means unfair contract terms. The protection comes from the common law. Now come to the third point, statutory control. In looking at statutory control, it is important to establish the nature of the contract. That means what is the nature of the contract, isn't it? The statutory control depends on the nature of the contract. It operates alongside with the common law. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you may comment below. And for further more details, please visit asmlawacademy.com or you may call us, and all the links are given in the description below.